Hi guys, so I'm heading over to Ikea with my mom. This is my mom, everybody.
Hi.
Say hi.
Hello. How are you?
Good. So yeah, we're just heading over there to go look at some furniture. Come on, what are y'all doing? Go! Why didn't you go? That car was turning. Oh my god. Okay, we are here at Ikea. Let me zoom in. There's Ikea. What are you doing? Hello? It's me. I look so much better because the way I looked, what was that, 2 days ago? I was looking crazy. Really, Mom? Bye.
Everything is basically...
This is nice. I was looking for this for my apartment. This one?
Yeah, this is nice. This is kind of
Look at this mirror. Hi. It's me. You see this one?
how much is that?
$13. Yeah. This is like perfect setup. Let me see. I'm going here in the fake bathroom. Alright, so this is my outfit. I'm wearing Air Max, Vapor Max Pluses, Nike sweats, a Walmart t-shirt, and a Target jean jacket. I think, Ma, this couch is okay. This is enough. I don't like that. I should have got a cart because now I want to get some blankets and pillows and stuff. You know what I'm saying? Is it? I feel it too. I'm like shit. It feels like there's an earthquake going on. Oh my god, this lighting. Oh my god. I have raccoon eyes. But who's getting that? That's ugly. It looks like a raw mattress. This lighting is really good. I really regret not getting a shopping cart. I really should have got one. Sorry. Can you do an outfit of the day, please? Where do you want to start at? Can you explain? You have to explain what your outfit is. Look, you guys, we stumbled upon the Virgil Abloh and Ikea collab bags. So I'm gonna get one. I'm gonna get one. The one, yes, no.
No, you only got one? You pick one out for me.
That one is good. I feel like the first ones I picked up was good. It's the ones that have the hand. Like this one is good. Then this one, Mom, because this is the first one I picked out and it looks good.
No, people cut those. I don't want that.
All right.
I don't want nobody to. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. So we're just trying to find one that doesn't look ragged. I mean, I guess it's supposed to have, see, look. Now he puts his labels on everything.
That look to it, that old paper
Please,
bag look.
Courtesy.
Yeah.
Y'all, look at this. It's a little baby couch for pets. Pull it out. Ma, did you see it? Come. Oh my God, these are so cool. Why is this one only $15? Oh no, it's the cover. Okay, so the couch is $50, and the cover, which is this, is $15. That is so cool. Look at this. And you pull it out, and it's a bed. Yeah, look, it's a bed. It's an actual bed frame.
That was $27.
Wow, that was so cute. And we're over it. I'm ready to get out of here. Fucking Ikea is like really crowded in here. I'm sorry, the experience is not like what it used to be. You know what I'm saying? I feel like it's oversaturated. All right, y'all. We just got out of Ikea. Now we're heading. We're heading where, Ma? To. Okay. We're gonna head to some stores really quick. This lighting is bad. Alright, bye. We are at Marshall.
Mother a shot in my cup and my glass is fogging up. Oh yeah, hey dog, hey what's up? Oh yeah, hey dog, hey what's up? When the sweaty walls are banging, I don't fuck with family planning. Make it rain, girl, make it rain. 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 Make it rain.
The vlog is just looking at my double chin the whole damn time. Fucking nothing in this store. Shit annoying as fuck. This is why I don't go in these kind of stores. They don't ever have shit.
That's ugly.
Let me zoom on it. Tell me my mom feet, she don't look like she like 10 and a half months pregnant.
Yes, these is ugly. And then they cut small. The whole fucking shoe is sick.
Why are you kicking it to me? Let me zoom in. I'm zooming, I'm zooming, I'm zooming. What are those?
I will wear
Can you
the
do the
shoe.
moonwalk for me, please? Okay. Hocus Pocus vibes with the socks. I don't look bad on your feet.
No, but these motherfuckers is tight.
We're in Tjmaxx and somebody smells like hella fucking weed. Yeah. It smells kind of good. I might have to ask him. We gotta go back that way.
I think we that way.
Y'all beep at me. Ass. Just try on. Dodge way.
Extra, read all about it. Vitamin B, vitamin C, snatch my physique, put the color back.
Hey guys, so I am back from shopping. So I just wanted to do a quick haul for y'all to show you guys what I got. If you're into the kind of shit I'm into, you would know that this is the Virgil Abloh collab with Ikea. So it also has the tab back here. So if you could read that. I don't know, it's probably not gonna focus. Yeah. So I bought 2 of them. So it was like 50. My mom wanted one, so I got her one. Also got this tray for my MacBook, like when I'm sitting down in bed editing. My mom bought a bunch of bathroom stuff. and a random pillow. And then I bought this, which is a bathrobe, because I needed a new one. I had like a black one and it just fell apart. So I got that from Ikea. Got a mini bag. You know, everybody usually uses the big blue bag, but I was like, oh, this is cute. So I got the mini one. And then, is this my bag right here? Yeah, this is mine too. So, we stopped over at Tjmaxx. I got a bunch of socks. Got Hey Arnold, Rugrats, and Hey Arnold again. So every time I see Nickelodeon socks, I just buy them all the time. And then I got this Adidas tracksuit. So it's just black. It has like some kind of design in the front. But I recently got a pair of black Adidas. So I accidentally got the tracksuit on accident. I just went to the hoodies. And the hoodie happened to be there after I picked up the pants. And then lastly from there I got this lastly, which is just a Nike long sleeve tee. So that's what I got from there. I'm gonna have to try all the stuff on. And then from Marshalls, you have to stop sleeping on Marshalls. Like, I order a lot of my shoes offline, but also go inside Marshalls, Tjmaxx, Burlington, Ross, if you have that in your state, because you just never know. So I got these just for every day, because I've been wearing my IBAEBLACK every day and I kind of don't want those to get worn and torn down. So I got these. There's like a buckle strap that goes over. Hold on, let me see there. So that clips, so there's no laces on these. So yeah, that's pretty much it. But other than that, you guys have a good night. See you later. Bye.